Hello friends! Today I'll show you how to draw or paint your feelings onto paper. I will help you express yourself and use art as an outlet for your feelings step by step. So let's get started. The art materials you need are drawing material of your choice. I'm using oil pastels, sketchbook or paper. And if you are painting, you can choose a painting material of your choice, brushes, and bring a cup of water, as well as a watercolor paper or other surface that you want to paint on. I received this watercolor paper pad from Arteza, and they were so nice to give me a coupon code for you all to use if you would like to get some materials from Arteza. First, to start this drawing or painting, get in touch with how you feel. How does your body feel? Then, close your eyes and ask yourself if this feeling had a color, a shape, a form, a weight, temperature, or even texture, what would it be like? Imagine all the details of this feeling. Now, you can put that onto paper. So if you imagined your feeling being very heavy or looking very dark, then you would want to depict this heaviness and darkness onto paper using colors, shapes, and lines. You do not always have to know what this feeling looks like or be able to visualize the whole thing. All you need to do is be willing to work with this feeling. So go with your gut and intuition. Ask the feeling, what color fits? What shape or form feels right? You can create the image as you go without having the whole picture in your head beforehand. We all have some kind of experience with art, but we rarely use art as a way to truly express our feelings. So it can be difficult to do this at first. We tend to use our thinking mind too much, but when we let go of it, and when we use our intuition, we can get access to those feelings and easily express them onto paper. We want to draw or paint our feelings because we need to express ourselves and words do have a limit. We express because we need to, but also because we need to be heard, be validated, and be listened to. It's really hard to get that sometimes, and that's why we have art. We can hear ourselves. We can see our feelings in front of us. And that is very validating. And we can really empathize with our own self. I also tried drawing my feelings out as well. What is the difficult thing for you when it comes to art? What kind of challenges do you have when you're trying to express yourself through art? Let me know in the comments below. When you are finished with your drawing or painting, Let's dive deeper into our feelings and emotions through reflective writing. Bring a pen and journal and write down your answers to these questions. What does the drawing look like? Perhaps it reminds you of something. The next question is, describe the drawing from that drawing's perspective. So you can start the sentence as, I am a drawing and I am. Then you describe what you see around you, what it feels like, or what you would experience if you were that drawing. And last question is, what did you learn from this exercise? Maybe you learned something about yourself, or maybe you learned something about this feeling and your relationship with it. So that's all for today, but if you want to watch the next video, it's already live on my Patreon page today. The link is in the description box. There's also bonus podcast episodes there if you want to listen to that. But thank you so much for following along with this tutorial or exercise. It's really truly a gift as humans to be able to express ourselves through art. So if you enjoyed this, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!